Hi guys! Video ulit tayo. Samahan nyo kami. Nandito kami sa may Como. Sa parang Gian. Dinayo talaga namin to. Hindi ito yung malapit sa amin. Ayun yung pupuntahan namin. Let's go! Tingnan mo, may mga tao nang
they are fast even
may
the
mga
cars.
tao nang tumatawid siya, talagang kailangan berde.
Oh. We go with them this evening.
Kaya kami pumunta dito guys. Para lang sa kanyang sa kanyang collection.
Mine, I have to
Your
find,
collection, like, yes.
You see, even small.
No, I mean, why we go here because of your, for your beard, for your collection. Ayan, yung mga luma-luma.
You see.
May mga ganito.
We have to go a bit fast, but it's still the end.
Oh, look at this. My love is so good, oh.
What?
This. I think this is a second hand. It's a second hand.
It's even antiquariato, old thing.
So what is this? So old beers. Old.
Me, I have at home this old.
Yes, you have this. Medyo mabilis ang aking pagbibideo guys. Si Luigi kasi.
I have this bicycle.
Really? But don't have any more.
See, like these things.
So they sell.
Antique.
Even the cell phone they sell.
Yes. This we have. This we have there in our home.
Look at that. Every time I see this, I remember when we went in the Holland. So, ang oras na ay magpo 4:15 na pero mainit pa din.
Nice, you see.
Pinagbebenta nila tong mga to, pati yung mga shades. Every time na may makita akong bike, naalala ko si Zach. Ang aking pamangkin. Maybe my love have the old bags here. Bags.
I don't know.
Yes.
Maybe.
So I try to find also. So mainit guys. Ayun. Second hand na bags. May nakita akong bag yan, oh. Mga second hand na bag. Tocares 7 interessati. Scusa. Yes, monete. Wait lang. I wanted to show today. Meron akong mga lumang barya.
For 1 euro.
This one is lire?
Yes, this 10 I have a lot of them.
So yun yung old coins sa Italy nung hindi pa siya euro.
But it's old even for me.
So that
my father.
so that is
70s, 80s.
So that is lire.
Yes.
Kasi dati hindi naman euro ang pera dito. Lire ang tawag. So ito palang pinuntahan namin ay mga second hand. Imagine, Nagbebenta sila dito ng mga second hand pala. Hindi lang pala second hand na mga, yung ukay-ukay sa atin ng mga damit. So dito may mga ganitong mga pwedeng bilhin. Meron ako nakita doon na bag, mga Louis Vuitton.
We do a bit around, huh?
Yeah. My love, I'm interested to the bags, the Louis Vuitton thing there, second hand. What if it's just less price? Do you think it's a less price?
If this price is not real.
Really? Actually, I'm not a collector ng mga lumang bagay. Ah, look at this thing.
Maybe my uncle have these things.
Ah, I see now there the bags. Ay, look at this. Look at that. Yeah.
This was the dictator here in Italy.
Come again? This is?
Dictator.
Ah, really?
Like Hitler for the German, this was Benito Mussolini.
Ah. Narinig niyo yun, guys? I never knew have a dictator here in Italy.
Oh my gosh, we do this.
Wait lang. Look at
the Second
this.
World War.
I see the Louis Vuitton. Look at this Louis
You know
Vuitton.
Germany, Italy, and Japan?
May mga lumang Louis Vuitton. Guys, mahihirapan tayo ng pamimili kasi kasama natin si G. Mahihirapan tayo guys dito kay Luigi. Hindi tayo makakahanap ng ayos. Laging nagmamadali. Sana yun? Ah, ito na naman yung baul. Ang lumang baul. So, interesado lang ako dito sa mga lumang bag na mga Louis Vuitton. Ayun o, Louis Vuitton o. Hindi naman tayo makahanap ng bonggang-bongga at si Luigi akala mo lagi na lang nagmamadali. Ay, ang cute naman yan, oh. So, uso pala dito yung ukay-ukay guys, yung version natin ng ukay-ukay. Meron din silang ganito pala dito. Hindi ko akalain. Teka lang ha. Sobrang init. Hindi pa naman ako masyadong nag-lotion ng ng mukha. Nag-powder lang ako. What is in here? Ah, it's an owl. Ah, it's an owl.
And
Look at that.
And they are real.
Owl, and then what is the big there? This
Yeah,
here.
the little there is falcon, pellegrino. This is aquila, an eagle.
Where's the eagle?
That's the big there.
Oh,
This is falchi.
it's more beautiful our eagle, the Philippine eagle.
Look at this little here.
Ay, so cute. Look at that.
This is a civetta. Parmigiani.
I see there's something small, a little bit near. Wait, oh, it's near. They are near.
Aquila reale.
No, è un'aquila delle steppe. È un'aquila dell'Asia, non è quella che abbiamo noi qua sulle montagne.
Ah, it's Asian. Yes, it's Asian eagle. Wait lang. Panila, may animals pala dito. Tingnan natin, ha? Wait lang. Here. Oh. So, ito yung eagle.
Isa po yan.
It's Asian eagle.
This po ay
Aquila de la Steppe.
is there.
Yeah. Ah. Focus natin tong lalaking to. Mga naka-costume sila, in fairness. Ano yan? Ano sila? Ano yung kanilang senya libre? Anong pinagkakaguluhan nila dito?
But they speak your mother face, you know.
Who is... Ah, okay. Ah. No, I don't do.
But don't go enough of your head.
It's a camel? What is it?
Alpaca. Be careful the speed, huh?
So what is it? In
Alpaca.
English? What is in English? Alpaca.
Alpaca.
I don't know what is alpaca is.
This is begonia.
I wanted to know
You
the...
know what they live like in Lima, in Andes. They do vestiti with this lana.
So, it's alpaca is the name of the animal.
South America in the Andes.
Ito yung galing dun sa balat nung alpaca. So para siyang sheep. Ayan oh. Para siyang sheep. Look like a sheep, my love. A kind of sheep. But for me, look like a kind of sheep. It's a sheep.
No, it's an alpaca.
I don't know what is alpaca is. Is it English? Yes, it's English.
I think alpaca is the original name. Even in South America they call it this.
So for me, look like a sheep.
It's not a sheep. It's a sheep like a pecore. It's what is it the horns? The pecore and the...
Adir.
No, you there.
Goat. Ito yun. Ito yung animal kanina. Para siyang sheep, di ba? Alpaca ang tawag. Actually, hindi ko alam yung animals na yun. Kung anong para siyang sheep. Siguro nakailang punta na kami dito nito. I have a video already here. So, ililibot ko lang kayo guys. Mga iskinita. Ito yung mga gusto ko.
Look back. So, naging ako sa inyo. Virtual, anong tawag dun? Nag-virtual, na lang ako. Strolling. May pogi dun, Lakas ng mga na, magpa 5 o'clock na. Ang ganda nito. Is under construction? Wait lang. How much is this? 19 euro. Maganda siya. 19 euro. It's 19 euro. Look at that. So kami pala ilakad ng lakad guys. Manawa kayo sa kakatingin ng view namin dito sa pinupuntahan namin. So after namin palang pumunta dun sa mga parang ukay-ukay, kami ay nag-ikot-ikot dito. Ah, look at this. What is this? So kami ay galing dito kanina. Kami ay paikot-ikot lang. May skinita na naman doon. We went there already.
No.
May mayana dito. Alam ko tong ano to, tong plants na to. We have this in Pinas. It's mayana, the name. Yeah. So this is Como
in the place where
Como Centro. So guys, end ko na yung video. Salamat sa inyong pagsama sa aking pag-ikot dito. Kami ay ano na, kami ay uuwi. Hindi, kakain muna kami. Kami ay pupunta na sa parking. Salamat sa inyong pagsama guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Ayun si G naglalakad. Hindi makahanap ng kanyang hinahanap. Bye-bye.